Hi goddesses. So this is a video that is going to be me explaining how I created this galaxy on my ceiling. It was actually pretty fucking easy. I'm gonna break down and show you all the supplies that I used, as well as where I went and all those things and more. So stay tuned. So I went to Michael's and I bought all of my supplies at Michael's. So the first thing that I bought is this, I call it Pluffy because it's like plushy and fluffy, so I call it Pluffy. So the stuff that I bought was like pretty much pillow cushioning. I know there's this one that's like poly, that's like people usually go get for the ceilings on the to get the clouds, but I just went with whatever stuffing that they had that was pretty like fluffy, and this was the one that I went with. I will show you guys. This is the one that I went with. So that is the one supply, like the number one supplies that you have to get, obviously. And then the next thing that you need to get is construction paper, and then you need duct tape. And then you need adhesive spray glue. Now, I don't know, maybe there's other glues that you can use, but I use adhesive spray glue because it seems to be the easiest to do this. So those are all the supplies that you need. You need the pillow cushioning, construction paper, duct tape, adhesive glue. Those are the things that you need. So I will demonstrate to you guys on how I put it up on the ceiling and everything. Okay guys, so these are all the supplies that I am using. So this is not duct tape, but I'm using this as a prop. So this is the duct tape, this is adhesive spray, this is my construction paper, and this is the Pluffy stuff. For the Pluffy stuff, this is the brand that I used. This is the brand. I want to stretch it out for you guys. So this is the brand that I used when I went to Michael's. This is what I bought. This is what I had bought when it came to the adhesive spray. One of the things that I forgot to mention within my research of finding out about the clouds, they were saying that in the clouds, spiders can get in it. So I did some research on how to combat any bugs or spiders getting into the clouds, okay? So you have to buy essential oils. So the essential oils that I bought peppermint oil, lemongrass oil, and lavender, I believe. Yes. So I'm going to show you guys on how I prep my cloud before putting it on the ceiling so the spiders would not, because apparently they naturally reject, they don't come to the smell, they don't like this scent or something. So I'm going to show you guys what I bought. So this is the lavender that I bought, and I bought it off of Amazon. So I bought this essential oil. This is lemongrass. I bought it off of Amazon. Last but not least, I bought peppermint oil, also from Amazon. Okay, so I'm going to show you the process of getting the cushion stuff and putting the essential oil. So you're just going to grab some of, I'm not going to get that much because I don't need to do it, but get as much as you need to grab. So I'm going to pull out this much, right? And then with the essential oils, I have my peppermint oil, and I'm going to dabble it a couple of drops into my hand, and then I have my lavender. So I'm going to take a little bit of lavender, drop it in my hands. Has a lot. Shouldn't have done that much, but whatever. And then I have my lemongrass, and then I drop a couple of droplets in there, and then I rub it in my hands, and then I start to just open it and go like this to really get it in there. Ooh, and it's a great smell. One of the things that I noticed, like after doing it, the house smelled really very, very, very just clean, smelling nice, you know what I'm saying? And also essential oils, if you are a spiritual person, can really cleanse the energy and air. So just really just rub it through the clouds
just like that. And that is the first step. This is the next step. I don't have duct tape. Again, you guys have duct tape, so I'm just gonna be using this as duct tape. So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna take your piece, okay, this is done, so I'm not gonna use much, but you're gonna take your duct tape and you're gonna put a piece at the top, duct tape on the sides, here, and then also in the middle, okay? And that is what you do for this part. So this part, I can't really demonstrate too much, but this is where you put the construction paper on the ceiling, and then you're gonna trace your light through the construction paper. And you're gonna have it go all the way through. You can see the lights. Okay, that's the way that went. So I bought my lights from here and bought them around. So you're gonna do that first, bringing the lights all around how you want it on the construction paper. That is the next step.
So one of the things that I forgot to mention to you guys, just before I show you how I put it on the ceiling, please get goggles or something to shield your eyes. This is what I use. This is all I had. So if you have this to shield your eyes, because when you do put it on the clouds on the ceiling with that adhesive glue, this stuff will come down in your eyes. So please shield your eyes. Now I'm going to show you how to put it on the ceiling.
So now that we have put the construction on the table, the next step is now spraying the adhesive glue on the cloud. So I put papers around because of course it's spray, so it's gonna get all over the place. So if you have carpet or hardwood floors or whatever, and you want to protect your floors, put construction paper or newspaper on the floor so it doesn't get over your shit. So here is the spray. So what we're gonna do is, so I'm gonna open up my cloud a little bit, just like that, and then I'm going to spray my cloud. So once I spray my cloud, I'm gonna fan it out for a little bit, and then I'm going to stick it up on the ceiling. So now I'm just gonna stick it up. I'm too short, but I'm just gonna stick it up on the ceiling, and it will come out just like this. And that is the whole process of doing the clouds.
And that is the completion of the clouds, the galaxy, creating the galaxy on your ceiling. It's super easy. It can be a little bit of time consuming. I did start it and then I stopped for like a week. And then when I started it back up, I finished it in a few hours. So if you do this in a day, depending on how much, space, obviously, I just did a galaxy cloud. So if I really focused in on one day, I probably would have been able to finish it, or at least in 2 days by myself. But I took like a week break. So, but in all, it probably really could have took me a few hours to get it fully finished. But yes, that is the process. Those are the things that you would need. I will explain one more time the things that you need. You need the pillow cushion fabric, duct tape, adhesive spray, and construction paper. Those are the 4 things that you need. Now, what I will say that with the adhesive spray glue, I would say get about 2 or 3 cans, and with duct tape, you get about 2 or 3 duct tapes. I did 2 cans of adhesive spray and 2 cans of duct tape. I wanted some left over, you know what I'm saying, if I wanted to like use some more. So I would say probably at best get about 3 cans of adhesive spray, 3 cans of also with the essential oils. Like I said, it keeps the bugs and spiders out because apparently they love this stuff. And on top of that, it really, really makes your house smell so good. I do actually plan on spraying it on my ceiling every couple of months just to give that, essential smell and cleansing of the room and house and stuff. I will put the link in the descriptions of the Amazon essential oils that I bought. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please, 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 tag me on Instagram at PoGoddess94. I will put my @ if you do create your galaxy, I would love to see it. I'm so happy that I posted it for you guys, or posted it on Instagram, and you guys really, really liked it. So please show me what you guys create. Now, when it comes to my twinkly lights that I have, I got that off of Amazon. So I'll put it in the description below so you guys can like add that little special touch, as well as the lights that I bought as well. I put that all in the description below for you guys. So again, please tag me if you do create something like this. I would love to see it. And also please like and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more pole dancing videos and just fun stuff like these when I come up with ideas. I'm very creative, so I will be posting stuff like this as well as like with my art and stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and comment below. I love you guys and talk to you soon.